Hey everybody. So I have been trying to figure out how to make additional passive income on top of all my investments. So I finally decided the best route for me to go is to try Amazon KDP. So I've been working over the past month and a half, and I've got some surprising results. So this is interesting. It's a very competitive market, and it's a ton of people fail. Literally, people flood the market and they get no sales. But my first, I will say, official month, I started a little bit before, but when I got everything going and gave it a test run for a month, I actually got some sales. So let's dive into it, and I'll show you how much I sold and kind of how it all broke. I'll break it all down on how I got there and my plans going forward. All right, so September 1st to September 30th, I'll classify that as my first month. Obviously, I started a little bit before then, but this was my first trial month when I really stopped creating. And, well, not necessarily stopped creating, but overall, I got 4 sales. So I'm not going to deceive you. One of these sales are mine. I've been creating low content books, and this is one of my purchases because I wanted to see what it looked like in order for me to create other low content books going forward. So the total royalty for the month is obviously 4 books, and I've earned a total of $2.76. So I'm sure you're saying that is nothing, but what it tells me, and I'm hoping it tells you, is that you can actually sell something. So I actually earned $2.52 when you subtract the notebook that I purchased. And I'm not going to show them now because I'm going to make additional videos, so please like and subscribe. And eventually I'll start breaking that down further, show you how I make the books and just my general journey with KDP. So I think this is pretty awesome. I do have about 100 books in there, and unfortunately, the just plain composition notebooks, I haven't sold any. The 3 that I've sold, they're they're different kind of books. They're more niche books, which I'll break down in another video later on. But overall, I think I know the route I want to go with Amazon KDP, and I think I'm going to go with not the composition notebooks. I'm going to go with specialized kind of notebooks because obviously I got some sales, and that tells me it can be done. I see a lot of people who have about 500 books in their Amazon KDP, which is a ton of work, and they get no sales. The market is just flooded. It's too easy to create composition books. There's some people on here that, you know, are saying that they're earning $200 in their first month. I'm not going to name names, but I think it's general BS. So, this is what a first month looks like, about 100 books. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to create additional videos like this going forward on my journey. I'll create some books and just keep you informed. So, thanks. Have a good day.